Thank you for tuning in to this brief tutorial on assigning a graduate advisor in Banner. From the Banner Links webpage, click on Prod. Enter this Banner screen name. On the Banner screen, enter the student's Banner ID. Enter the term for which the graduate advisor is being assigned, using 4 digits for the year, followed by the 2 digits for the term. Then click Go. When the advisor information screen displays, enter the advisor's Banner ID. Click on the advisor type box and select Graduate from the menu, and click OK. Select the primary indicator box and click Save on the bottom right of the screen. If the student already has an assigned advisor, you will see this message, which prevents you from entering a new advisor Banner ID. To assign the new advisor, click on the Maintenance button and select End Advisor. Then click Start Over to resume the process. To verify the graduate advisor assignment, navigate to Brockportal. On the Brockportal home screen, if the student information card is not displayed, click on the Advisement tab. Then click on Student Academic Profile. Be sure to select the term for which the advisor was assigned. Then look up the student using their Banner ID, Brockport email, or last name. Click View Profile. Finally, on the student profile page, verify the student's name and check that the advisor's name is displayed. Please don't hesitate to reach out to the Center for Graduate Studies for additional guidance.